Now we are going to learn drafted filleted pad. Okay, select the plane, sketch, center rectangle. Okay, exit workbench. Pad option I'm giving. Okay, 20 is enough. Okay, now I am selecting this plane, sketch. Here I'm choosing again center rectangle. Okay, exit workbench. Choose drafted filleted pad. We have seen pad, multi-pad. Now we are going to learn drafted filleted pad. Second limit is, this is the limit, we have to select this one. Okay, the height I want to increase up to 150. Up to 150. Preview. See here, I'm doing 1 2 3 4 5 operations. I'm doing 5 operations using drafted filleted pad definition. Okay, here it is power box is only one. After if I select on once, okay, it will be divided into different options. Let's see what will happen after selected okay. Before that, now I am selected 150 height, angle 5 degrees. Now I don't want angle 5 degrees, I want more than 5 degrees draft angle. So here I am selecting 20 for example. Let's see, preview. Like, but it is not possible. 20 means it goes more. So let's take 15 mm. Yeah, 15 mm also, it's large for this. I am choosing 13 mm. Yeah, 13 mm is exact, but it is not correct. Let's cancel. Go for right option. Here increase this length of the base part. Okay, now come to the draft. Cancel. So this plane draft, this one here I'm giving 150 height. Okay, with basically it is now 5 degrees. Okay, let's say it is 5 degrees now. Now I want 15 degrees. See how it is increased. For your clear visibility, I'm taking 15 degrees. Okay, so first option, second option we have done. Now third option, lateral radius. Now I want 5 mm. I want to increase 5 mm. 5 mm to I'm using 10 mm. Here second one I'm considering 14 mm, and third one is considering 15 mm, or else 18. Okay, first one consider lateral radius means the sides of the edges, so it is 10 mm radius. First limit radius means it is upper part of the radius, it is 14 mm. Second limit radius is its lower part of the radius. Okay, totally 3 parts will be completed here. And drafted angle means the base part of the rectangle size is more than upper part, means here we increase the diameter of the object with using angle. Okay, we can see in further it is, we have separate toolbar for that. Next, length. Okay, everything is there here. Now I'm selecting preview. Okay, so this is the option. What is this? Drafted filleted pad. Just I used drafted filleted pad, but after selecting that, see here, this pad is base part, this bottom of the rectangle part. This pad is this object. What I have increased 150, what I have considered 150 height of the part, and it is draft option. Okay, and it is suppose it is edge fillet options. Okay, so I didn't selected this one, this, and here drafted also here there. These all comes under dress up features. In dress up feature it is edge fillet and a draft, but now in here I didn't selected that. Directly I chose drafted filleted pad. Among the drafted fillet pad, these options are there. Okay, after selecting this, all appear here. Okay, let's see. Edge fillet 10 mm. I said sides of the object, it is 10 mm. Now I want to change. I can give now 6 mm. Preview. Okay, here it is top of the 14 mm. Now I am giving 12 mm. Okay, now it is bottom of the part. I give 18. Here I am giving 20. Okay, this is the option. Here, using drafted filleted pad directly, we can use 4 to 5 options directly. That is the advantage of drafted filleted pad. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching CATIA tutorials. Please subscribe our channel, like the video, share the video.